Much love, family, and welcome back. Today we're going to do a little get ready with me and chit chat. I'm going to take down these rag curls, so definitely stay tuned. As always, like this video if you like this video and subscribe for more videos like this. All right, let's do it. To start off, I hope everyone is doing well, whatever day you're watching this on, whatever time. I hope you're having a great day. Please definitely let me know down below how you are doing. So I am filming this towards the end of the week, going into the weekend. I put these, I don't have any back here, you guys. I put these in last night and I was not looking in the mirror when I did it. I was watching shows on YouTube actually when I did it, and I was just kind of putting them in. So one actually got left out and I took it and kind of wrapped it around, but it's kind of still, I mean, it's got a little bit of something to it. But anyways, I've done this before and I will link above to it, the details of the rag curls and how I made them and all that. And I made just enough for my head at that time. And I wound up kind of making the ones in the back with more because I was not paying attention, and up here I would put like 2 in and stuff. So I probably could have used more of these for the back, but I made it work. Not a big deal. It's not like, you know, I'm going to some formal affair or something. I just felt like rocking my curls again. So that's what I am doing. And I wanted to do, yesterday I was trying to put a bun in my hair, and I'm not there yet. If you saw my previous video, I'm not there for like a full pony. So the bun was looking kind of not how I wanted it to look. But I do remember when I had my rag curls and I put my hair back like this, it sort of bunned itself up, and the way the locks fell was really nice. So I wanted to do that style. So I figured that's what I would do. What else is going on here? I don't have my backdrop, you guys. I probably could get it back out and hang it up, but I don't know if I said this in my previous video. We are moving. So, you know, I'm filming in different places. I think last time was a voiceover, but, oh no, I did put a little bit in there. And the previous video before that, I was filming in the hallway. I've been filming in the living. I've just been filming all over the place. Wherever I can film is what I've been doing. And I don't have my usual moon and stars. I may get that back out before we're fully moved. I don't know. But I don't even have my tripod. The one I usually use for videos like this, I am using like a clippy on kind of tripod deal for this. But that's going on. You guys know how it is when you're moving and stuff. It's just, it can be very difficult. And I have 2 children. So, you know, a lot of our stuff is not here right now. It is in storage. That's difficult. Finding a new place. Just all the things that come with it. So please send me some positive vibes, you guys. I'm thinking positive. Changes are always challenging, but they're good. So even at the times where I'm feeling like it's challenging, I turn that around and I think, this is new, this is brand new, we're all experiencing something new, change is good, cannot wait to see what comes on the other side of this, you know? So once we're through this kind of like part, I know that greatness is there. So I am looking forward to it, even in those times. So another thing is moving during a pandemic. That's interesting, you know, moving during pandemic. We are selling our current home. That's interesting. You know, we're trying to stay away from people, but then having people have to come. If you've sold before, you know, there's different people that have to come in that whole thing. And, you know, I'm not feeling that. So I'll be happy when that's over too. Doing anything right now, I think it's different for everybody because it's during a pandemic and we haven't done that thing, whatever that thing is, during a pandemic before. So either you are, you know, buying a new car, moving, starting a new job, you know, you lost your job, any kind of new thing is during a pandemic. So it's added unknowns there. Even, you know, with positive thing like buying a new car or starting a new dance or something like that, it's during a pandemic. So it adds some interesting factors to it. But, you know, what's going on new with you guys? What's the changes in your life and the challenges in your life? Let me know down below. Also, let me know if you want me to send you some positive vibes as well. And as always, I'm always sending my love to every one of you. So thank you for that. And I felt, you guys, this is so funny because my last video was voiceover. I did voiceover on it. And so I was talking to you, but it felt like I hadn't spoken directly to you for a while, even though it was just a voiceover. It's kind of the same, right? But I was like, oh, I'm going to get to talk to them today. So it was exciting for me. I missed you guys. I don't know if you missed me too, but I missed you guys. It's so funny that talking like this is different than voiceover for me. But anywho, these guys are coming out and coming along. Look at this. I tell you, I just really love these. Again, I linked already, I think, to that curl video for you above, but it gives such a different feel. And you know how when your locks are shorter, that when you do stuff like this to them, they can kind of poke out and not lay correctly. Well, when you have these curls, it kind of, you know, lays more correctly. So it makes styles like that and stuff a little bit easier. And last time I did this, you guys, I realized these white t-shirt wasn't working. It worked, but it left these little white fuzzies all over me. And I said to myself, use a black t-shirt next time. But I saved these from my last time. Totally forgot until right now. And I'm getting the white fuzzies again, which, I mean, I don't care too much about, but I can't believe I forgot. So I probably should throw these away, and that way I'm forced to make some black ones in the future. We'll see if I care that much. When it's done, if it's too fuzzy, we'll see if I care too much. And I'm hoping the lighting is looking good right now, and I have my ring light up. But usually when I'm filming right here, I have this awesome light shining through the window, but it is a little bit overcast. Not a little bit, it's overcast right now, so I don't really have that. But I'm hoping for you, when I upload this, that the light, I can see it kind of changing when I change my arms and stuff with this ring I have here. But hopefully it's good, you know, that it'll be a good quality. So I'm going to finish taking these out, and then I'll come back and we'll do some lock jewelry and my updo I wanted to do. Okay, I'll talk to you in a bit. So I still have a little bit of red from when my daughter and I did the red hair, the burgundy hair paint. And it's looking really nice with these curls. I almost put some more in. Did it again before I did this, but I was like, oh, you're doing too much right now. And we probably might even go to the pool or the beach today or tomorrow, so I'll be doing way too much to be ruining what I just did. So I'm just pulling them out a little bit, so then I'm going to put my band on. Ooh, first I want to put some of these. I feel like hanging type lock jewelry will be good with these curls. I mean, I don't know till I try it, but you know, ones with like little dangles on it. Like that. Especially like this guy here, kind of popping. But if I do that, then will I still want to wear my bun? Let me show you first. This is the bun kind of thing I wanted to do. This is what I was trying to do that wasn't working. Let's see if this makes it work how I think it's going to work. Coconut. Coconut is right behind the camera and he's messing with things. So if something crashes or happens, you'll know it was Coconut the cat. Coconut is usually, we have 3 cats, but Coconut is usually with me when I'm filming. Coconut, please don't do that. Coconut, please don't do that. Stop. Please don't do that. Here's the culprit. Always messing with stuff, huh? He's the baby, so he's always messing with stuff. Show your tummy. He has the best tummy ever. So now my light and everything is messed up. All right. Okay, so I'm pushing. This is just a headband. And I'm pushing all the way up till I have like where I want my bun, I guess you could say. And then, see, yesterday it was like all over the place and not staying. But I figured if I do it like this, then I can have a bun, you know, like that. Because the curls just kind of fall down in a bunny shape up here. So I still have these little guys that come back. And I, you know, if you wanted to, doing your thing, you could clip them up. I just let my hair do what it wants to do, basically. But that's my bun look. But now that I'm doing this and I want to put my lock jewelry on, I'm not sure I want my bun look. Okay, so no bun today. I'm just going to go down with it. With my curly fries, as Miyakota says. She's creeped in here now. Okay, so I'm going to go down with it, and I'm going to put my dangles on that I wanted. So this guy's really sticking out. So I'm going to try and put this on him. All right, so I put on 3 of my dangles here. And I think I'm looking like Curly Sue. Ah, jeez. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I put 3 of my lock dangles on, and then I'm just using a couple of locks to tie these top ones back here, and I'll have that little curl out like that. And that's what I am rocking today. Here's these guys here, and that one here. I'll turn it over a little bit. There we go. So that's the look. That is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for chit-chatting with me. And again, please do let me know what's going on with you down below, or if you have any questions or comments or anything going on that you want to share. And I post every Sunday and Thursday, so I will see you again in another few days. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.